In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter or remove values in Microsoft Excel. Working with large data sets can sometimes be challenging, especially when you need to focus on unique values or clean up duplicate entries. Excel provides straightforward tools to help you filter for distinct records and remove any duplicates, making your data easier to analyze and manage. To start, open your Excel workbook and select the range of cells containing the data you want to filter. Next, go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon and click Advanced in the Sort and Filter group. In the Advanced Filter dialog box, choose Filter the List in place to display the results within the existing dataset. Then, check the box labeled Unique Records Only. This option ensures that only distinct values from your selection are shown. Once you have configured these settings, click OK. Excel will instantly filter your data, hiding duplicate entries and leaving only unique records visible. After reviewing your filtered list, you can remove the filter by going back to the Data tab and clicking Clear in the Sort and Filter group. This action will restore the full dataset while keeping your unique values highlighted for reference. Using filters in this way allows you to temporarily focus on unique data without modifying or deleting any information from your original dataset. If your goal is to permanently remove duplicate values, it is a good practice to first make a copy of the original data and paste it into another worksheet. This ensures that you have a backup of your complete dataset in case you need to reference it later. Once your data is safely backed up, return to the original worksheet, select the range of cells, and click Remove Duplicates in the Data tab. In the Remove Duplicates dialog box, select the columns that contain the data you want to check for duplicates. Click OK to proceed, and Excel will automatically remove any repeated entries while keeping the first occurrence of each value. A summary will appear, showing the number of duplicates removed and the number of unique values remaining, allowing you to verify the results immediately. By using these filtering and duplicate removal techniques, you can maintain a clean, organized spreadsheet and make your data analysis much more efficient. These tools are especially useful when working with large data sets where duplicate values can cause errors or confusion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.